Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with beef tallow. This rendered fat, traditionally revered for generations, offers a remarkable culinary advantage in your kitchen. It imparts a subtle, savory richness to your dishes and boasts an incredibly high smoke point, making it perfectly suited for many different high-temperature cooking methods. Understanding these benefits is the essential first step to truly elevating your home-cooked meals with this versatile ingredient. Beef tallow is excellent for high-heat cooking, featuring a smoke point of about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows you to achieve crispiness without burning your food, unlike many other oils. Store solidified tallow in an airtight container. It keeps for several weeks at room temperature or for many months when refrigerated. Proper storage ensures its quality and freshness for future use, making it a reliable staple. You can easily incorporate beef tallow into your everyday cooking routine for enhanced flavor. Use a spoonful to roast your favorite vegetables, like potatoes or carrots, for a golden, crispy finish, or simply toss them in it before baking. It's also superb for frying eggs or searing chicken thighs, giving them a delightful crust and a rich, satisfying taste. Explore its versatility in simple, daily preparations. For a superior deep frying experience, beef tallow is truly exceptional, creating incredibly crispy textures for items like French fries or fried chicken. Its stable composition means it tolerates prolonged exposure to high heat without breaking down. When searing steaks or pork chops, a small amount in a hot pan will produce a beautiful, golden brown crust, locking in all the delicious juices. It's an ideal choice for achieving restaurant-quality results at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.